Mastering Everyday English, Making Coffee. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a simple yet everyday phrase, make coffee. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, this video is brewed just for you. Make coffee is a common phrase used in everyday English. It's a verb phrase combining make, a verb, and coffee, a noun. Make here refers to the action of preparing or creating something, and coffee is a popular beverage. So, when put together, make coffee means to prepare or brew coffee. The phrase is often used in various contexts. For example, 1. In the morning routine, I always make coffee right after I wake up. 2. Offering to guests. Would you like me to make coffee? 3. At the workplace, I'll make coffee for the team meeting. In different cultures, making coffee can have varied significances. For instance, in Italy, making espresso is a cherished morning ritual, while in Turkey, making coffee involves a special pot and technique. The phrase can also vary slightly, like brew coffee or prepare coffee, but the meaning remains the same. Here, you can include a short clip or images showing different ways of making coffee, like using a coffee machine, French press, or a simple stovetop method. We hope this video has perked up your English skills and given you a richer understanding of the phrase, make coffee. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be brewing up conversations in English with ease. See you in the next video.